Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to do step number 6, which is fold the body and the lid. So you'll notice that for step 6, it's broken up into two parts. First is the body, and then there is the lid. So we have to use a couple different things in here when we do that. Step number 1 for the body says fold the 3/8 inch edge using the brake press and pound flat with the mallet. So this piece of equipment, this is our brake press, and what we're going to do is we are going to fold along our 3/8 inch line here all the way to create a hem. So a hem is where we take the metal and we fold it all the way over, and then we're going to pound it down flat. Think about like your pants or the edge of your shirt where it's been folded over and sewed. It's there for extra support to make sure it doesn't unravel. Same thing with on sheet metal. It's there for extra support. It could create a seam. It also is there so you don't have any sharp edges. So the easiest way to do this, and again, safety first, so make sure hair is back, safety glasses on. All right, I'm going to lift up the presses. So the handle is on this side. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to slide my material underneath here. Now, the edges of these presses right here is what I want to line up with my line for the hem. Please do not forget, the hem is the first thing that you are going to do. All right? If you are not able to use, or if you're unable to fold this up all the way because the presses come up, you might need to hold the handle down and then raise these. If you can't do that by yourself, get a partner to help you out, all right? So I simply just took the handles, lifted up all the way as far as I could possibly go. Now I'm gonna take this out, and you can see that it's at an angle right here. So I need to take a mallet, and I'm gonna pound this down flat. So I'm going to use my anvil that I have right here, and I'm gonna start from one side and lightly finish folding it over. All right, notice my arm was kind of swooping like this. All right, I want to make sure, again, I start from one end, work my way towards the other. You kind of have to move it along on the anvil. Now I'll come back and I'll pound it down really hard and flat. Make sure that it's nice and flat on here. There's no big bubbles or ripples or anything like that because you will be downgraded for that. Now, once we have our hem completed, it says fold the tabs to 90 degrees using the brake press. So again, I'm going to use this press over here, and my tabs are these side pieces that were our 1/2 inch. Okay, I'm going to take and I'm going to place them underneath the presses. I lift this up, and I bring this down right to my 1/2 inch line. If you're doing this correct, you should be able to see a little tiny bit of your V angles that you cut out in there. And there's a gap. It does not overlap on the hem. All right? So I'm going to hold the handle down so it doesn't come up on me or move. And then I'm going to fold this to 90 degrees. Now, if you fold it too far, you can always put this in here and then just use your hands to pull it back a little bit. But I'm just going to take this out, and I'm going to look at the edge. Yep, I folded it a little too much. That's okay. I'm going to place it back inside of there. Pull it back a little bit. Get it? Perfect. Flip it around. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now, I have two brake presses in here. One on this end of the table is used for making the hems and folding the tabs to 90 degrees. The other one that I have set up on the end of the table, which I'll roll the camera over there in a moment, is for folding the inside lines on our toolbox. So on this press, I was able to do the hem, and then I was able to fold my tabs to 90 degrees, okay? So I can go ahead and fold my tabs for the lid as well. I'm going to fold these to 90 degrees, and then we'll finish up over at the other brake press. So I'm just, again, placing this underneath at my 1/2 inch line. Just clamp it down, lock it into place. 90 degrees. Flip it up and over. 90 degrees. Now, notice with this lid, I did not hem it at all. The only part of the toolbox that you are hemming is the body. There will be this edge right here, okay? So just that one side. The other side, we do not want to hem this over because we have to attach our lock to it. So make sure you only fold the hem on the body, and it's also on your directions.